Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. A hydrogen atom of mass m emits a photon corresponding to the fourth line of Brackett series, and then it recoils. If R is the Rydberg's constant and h is the Planck's constant, then recoiling velocities. So students, इस question में हमसे कहा जा रहा है that hydrogen atom this emits a photon, and after emitting a photon it recoils with velocity v, and हमें इस velocity v की value find करनी है. So student, please note the key concept of this question, which says hydrogen or single electron species after absorbing energy from radiation gets excited and jumps to higher energy levels. But student, इस higher energy level में electrons stable नहीं होते हैं and then they de-excites to ground level by emitting a photon to attain stability. इलेक्ट्रॉन हाइड्रोजन एटम में हायर एनर्जी लेवल से, लेट्स से दिस इज N2, दिस इज N1, जब हायर एनर्जी लेवल से लोअर एनर्जी लेवल में ट्रांजिट करते हैं तो ये कुछ फोटोन एमिट करते हैं, एंड ड्यू टू दिस एमिशन ऑफ फोटोन ये हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिकॉइल कर रहा विद वेलोसिटी v. So students, object traveling with velocity v must have momentum. We can write momentum of h atom. This must be given as mass into velocity of h atom. Now from de Broglie wavelength formula, E can be written as h upon lambda equals to mass into v, and 1 upon lambda can be written as r into z square, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. This equals to mass into velocity. So students, where r represents Rydberg constant, z represents atomic number, n1 represents and n2, where n1 represents final energy level and n2 represents initial energy level. So student, जब it was emitting a photon corresponding to fourth line, it was fourth line of Brackett series. For Brackett series, the final line is, the final energy level is n1 equals to 4, and जब ये fourth line बोल रहा है तो we must add this 4 with initial energy level, that is this electron transited from n equals to 8 energy level to n equals to 4th energy level. From this equation we can substitute the value of n1 and n2, and Z, this must be equal to H into R into Z square is 1 square because atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1. N1 is 4 square and N2 is 8 square. This must be equal to mass into recoiling velocity. So H into R into 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 64. This must be equal to mass into velocity. This is R H into, this is 64, 4 minus 1. This must be equal to mass into velocity. From here we can write velocity equals to RH upon M into 3 upon 64. And this corresponds to option B of this question, that is 3RH upon 64 M. So B is the only correct option of this question. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया students. Thank you.